Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the measurement device to complete the measurement quest from the scientist Sam at the Crater Island in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depths Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First of all, you need to talk to this NPC to start the quest, and you can get the measurement device from the Kohana Island, specifically from the scientists in the lab. And then if you want to use this measurement device, you can go to the item first. You can go to this menu and equip this measurement device like this and enable it, guys. And you just need to walk around to take measurement just like this. Keep walking until the measurement finished, and you can monitor the progress right here, guys. Okay, and you just need to keep walking around the map, and once you're done measure the island, you can go back to Sam NPC, and then you can get luck mutation potion. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use the measurement device to complete the measurement quest in the Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!